So I'm gonna use the screwdriver right there on the other side, push, feel it move to the other side, and then now I can see if I can pull out. I'm sorry, I'm doing everything by myself. I pull up and then it's out. Like you see, and then you take the new one. This is the new one right there. I'm gonna open with one hand. It's the new one. You go like this. That's the two clip. You have to press together to remove it. So when you put it, they lock and they maintain the sensor on the master cylinder reservoir. Okay, let's I'm putting it back now, like you see. Okay, just need to push inside, push until it click. Yeah, push inside until it click. That's it. Okay. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.